Okay, so as promised, I'm just going to go through a few mobility drills for pre-running, just to get you warmed up and to get the synovial fluid to lubricate the joints. I'm actually going to start with the hips and then work the way down the leg to the knee and then to the ankle. Okay, so first things first, in a seated position here, my feet are slightly wider than hip width. I'm on the back of the heels here. I'm going to breathe in and breathe out and let the knees drop to the floor. Breathe in and out. And just repeat that. If you want to take the stretch into the side body a little bit more, let's turn the head to look over the shoulder. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, easy enough. After that, I'm going to come to a supine position. This means laying down. I'm going to have one leg for support here, opposite leg up in the air, and I'm just going to make circles, moving only from the hip. And I'm going to make sure that I work both directions. It's a nice sunny day today. Anywhere between 10 to 12, each direction will do. And then be sure to change legs. Change direction. Okay, so following on from that now, we're going to move to the knee. So we're going to lay back down. Always nice to lay down in the morning. Again, I'm going to have one knee for support. I'm going to bend at the knee here, make sure the toe's pointed. There's a tendency that if the inflection like this, that the stretch tends to go into the ankle. We just want to isolate into the knee to begin with. So I have one hand for support also. Make sure that there's not any pressure going in towards the hand. This is an indication that we're working into the hip a little bit. And we just want to isolate, as I say, get the synovial fluid lubricating the knee joint. Again, between 10 to 12 in each direction. Make sure you relax the head down. Keep pointing through the toe. Change direction. You may experience some clicking and popping. At my age, at least, it's normal. Okay, so staying in this position, we're going to change legs, but this time we're going to take it into the ankle. Full range of movement. We're not focusing on speed here. Just the range of movement. Think about drawing a circle with your big toe. And again, 8 to 10 per direction. 10 to 12, sorry. Change legs. These are areas that are often overlooked in warm-ups. You think about how much time we spend on our feet, well, depending on what our job is or our daily activities are. You know, it makes sense to look after these parts of the body as best we can. Hands and wrists too. I'm going to change legs again, and this time I'm going to make a fist with the toes. I can support the leg any way that I choose, and I want to flex and stretch. This helps me to stretch out the facet tissue on the sole of the foot as well. Ten to 12, and change. Okay, and there we have it. There are other mobility drills that you can do, and I will add them into future videos or to the next set of progressions. Okay, on with your